127.49, 127.40, betting done, 127.40, 27.40.
It's Mark Middleton here from HF Richardson in Ballarat, just giving you a bit of a report on the store sale today. We yarded just under 4,000 cattle today and results were very good. It was a credit to the agents and the farmers on how the cattle were presented today. There was a few feature entries today. We had runners of grown Hereford steers off account Yannicka and Laidlaw family down near Lismore. One sale there, Yannicka's tops, they were 472 kilos, bought them out at $2,680, which $568, so that was a terrific result.
Yep, 70, 80, 2680, how about a bit, 2680, 2680 bid, at 2680 I sell them done, 2680 they go.
And in probably the runs of weaner cattle, weaner steers, the better runs were firm on the last sale, up to sort of $7 a kilo for those sort of early to mid 300 kilo steers. And then some of the other smaller lines, probably marginally cheaper than last sale, $20 to $40. Lighter cattle, they were still very firm.
23.20, 40, 23.40 out back, 23.40 the money, over we go, 23.40 the money, break under, 23.40.
Grown heifers could have been back 70 to 80 bucks. And yeah, weaner heifers sold fantastic, particularly any of the feature lines that would suit people to take out and yeah, grow them out for breeders. They sold very well, with some of those sales getting close to steer values. Some of the better cows and calves with not much quality here today, better cows and calves up to sort of close to $4,000. But yeah, not a lot of quality as far as joined females or cows and calves.
The RMA Network, supporting independent livestock and property agents.